Hey guys, what's up? Nathan here from the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition and Worship Calling. Again, got ourselves another Tone Master Tuesday on a Wednesday as always, and we are jumping back into the popular drive stacks. You know, last few months, weeks, I don't know how long it's been, I've just been looking at some of these like really popular dominant drives that people have been known to stack, and we're doing it in the Tone Master Pro, seeing what it sounds like, and it's been a lot of fun, very eye-opening. I've been looking at some pedals that I probably wouldn't have even picked, to be honest with you, but when I stack them, I really like what I'm getting. So let's jump over to Pro Control. We'll take a look, and obviously subscribe, follow along. We're going to keep, I've got a list of these, so we're going to keep just going down the list and checking them out. So this week, what we're looking at is the Klon, or what in the Tone Master Pro is called the Mythic Drive, into the Rat, or the Rodent. And I feel like this is a great combination, especially with this Vox AC30. So I just took my Vox AC30 preset that I had. That's just the amp, none of the pedals on, no ambient, obviously. Just a little bit of compression. You can watch my video on when I dialed in this preset. I really like this Vox setting right here. And I felt like this was a great combination with these two drive stacks, or this drive stack of these two pedals into the Vox. It just feels like a really good combination. It's kind of, again, kind of that low gain, edge of breakup. You know, first drive with the Mythic, you know, we're kind of getting into that. I still feel like it's edge of breakup, just maybe mild distortion. You know, we're kind of getting into that arena. And then we've got the Rodent that adds just a little more. You stack those, and you get this just awesome sound. I feel like that Mythic is just really kind of tightening up that low end, and we're getting this just singing sustain. I mean, it sounds so good. And the Rodent, that Klon going into the Rodent, or the Mythic going into the Rodent, I don't know how to describe that sound. You can hear it. It just feels like contained or controlled, almost like aggression. It's just got some meat to it. It's got some body. Again, that sustain is crazy. And I think this is a great stack combination for really any kind of, multiple genres could use this. So obviously I didn't really change the Mythic. I liked where I had it before with this Vox, so I left it. Here's where I landed with the Rodent. I'm running 33% of distortion, my filter at 61, and the volume at 28. It's a very mild boost. You don't really notice it. It's not huge. I mean, even when you got all three, or both drives on, it's just a real mild boost. It's nothing crazy. It's not jumping way out there, but it is getting a little bit of that staging going on, but nothing that's going to make front of house run to the fader to turn you down, right? That's always my goal. So I'm liking that. I think it really sounds good. And I think it sounds really good with some ambient, a little delay. I think it sounds really good. Even with both drives. I can even pull that volume down on my guitar just to clean it up a bit. Pull some of that ambient back just a hair. Great combination, in my opinion. I'm having a hard time, I'll be honest with you. I'm having a hard time finding my favorite combo as I've been going through these, because I've been using all of them and I really like all of them that we've went through. And even just that rodent, sounds really sweet, but yeah, that stack, both of those together, just I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I think it's a killer combination. There's a reason why this thing's so popular, this combination of these two drives, and there's a reason why it's popular. It clearly works really well. So check it out. I'm going to have this. This will actually just be the Vox AC30 version 2 will be this drive stack combination. So if you're a Fender Toemaster Pro user and you got access to the cloud, you can always look up Worship Calling and find these presets. I upload all of them to the cloud. So give this combo a spin. Try dialing in yourself. Let me know what you landed on. What parameters did you set yours to that you like, and we'll have fun. So with that, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Still trying to grow this channel. And as always, make every strum count, and I'll see you guys next time.